What you need to know about weed barrier 2023. Welcome to this video on weed barriers. In this video, we'll be discussing them and talk about the unique features of EyouAgro weed barriers. Weed barriers are also called landscape fabric. They are materials used in agriculture to control the growth of unwanted weeds. Intensification of agriculture and climate change have increased the threat of weeds. Weeds compete with crops for resources such as water, nutrients, and sunlight, which can reduce crop yields and quality. This is the most important factor that farmers need weed barriers. Next, let us introduce some knowledges about the weed barriers. Firstly, based on the material used, we have synthetic, organic, and biodegradable weed barriers. Secondly, based on the weaving methods, we have woven and non-woven weed barriers. Woven weed barriers are made through weaving process, making them more durable and long-lasting. Non-woven weed barriers are made using a process that involves bonding fibers together without weaving. They are lightweight and more affordable. Using weed barriers in agriculture offers several benefits for farmers, including reduced weed growth, improved water retention, improved soil quality, and reduced need for herbicides. Although the organic weed barrier has little impact on the environment, but the effect of grass prevention is poor and cannot be used for a long time. The traditional synthetic weed barrier is of good quality, and it can be used for a long time. But it also has its problems. Its air permeability is poor, water and air are not easy to penetrate, easy to affect the quality of soil. In order to solve the non-permeable problem of the synthetic weed barriers, EyouAgro's research team has spent 2 years to produce a new weed barrier. It is more permeable and allow air to pass through. The use of EyouAgro high-quality weed barrier, you can save a lot of labor costs. All you need is a one-time investment, and your farm will be safe for a few years. EyouAgro offers the best landscape fabric or weed barrier that is both effective and environmentally friendly, helping to promote sustainable agriculture practices. By choosing the right type of weed barrier and using it properly, farmers can effectively control weeds while conserving resources. Want to learn more? Read the full article in EyouAgro.com.